Hi guys, welcome to Hindi Snooker, and today we are going to talk about your finish, how you can finish your shot properly, and how it's going to help you. The problem with the players is that they are always moving this their elbow, or this. Sometime I call it a lazy elbow. When they finish, they always finish a bit of a lazy hit. So I want to show you a few techniques how you can correct your elbow and how you can make sure that your hitting is a bit more steady. So let's start our video and see how it goes. Okay, so first of all, we are going to discuss the problem that we usually face is that most of the players, when they are playing a shot and their cueing is not consistent. So what do you need to do is to just create a reference. Maybe it's a good idea if you can create it with the chest and let the cue run along with your chest. So that is one of the solution that I can offer you, that you can to make your cueing consistent. Otherwise, what usually happens, we see what happens is people are playing like this, players, and then there you see there too much flow in the cue or too much wobbliness in the cue. So what they do is when they play a shot, they can either go like this, like that. They can never be able to hit in the center. So to achieve that, it's a good idea that you should always try to keep it steady, reference your cue with the chest, and then finish your shot. And then even after the shot, let the cue finish on the chest. That would do a good job for you in improving your hitting and cueing. So let me give you an example. Let's see. There, you can see my cue is running, and there, that's it. And even after the finish, my cue is still on the line of aim, because that is one of the biggest problems that people face, and they are always struggling with this, that they are not consistent with their cueing. So I would like you guys to understand this quickly, that doesn't matter whether you're playing pool or snooker, your cue must be consistent and steady, not a lazy one. So you don't let it be lazy. So the more consistent you are, see that there, that's it. So this is the most important tip that I am giving you now, is that always be steady even after the shot. Like, make sure that you are having a post shot routine completed when you even finish the shot. Let me show you from another angle, from two angles. Okay, so let's see if I have to pot the screen ball. So that's it ball. So that's that's it. What you can do is just get down in the shot, make sure your cue is brushing on your chest, slightly, slowly, stay there, finish your shot, and stay down to complete your post shot routine. So this is the way to have a good cue action or cueing and delivery. And the most important thing is post shot routine, because that's why every coach, every book says that complete your post shot routine, otherwise you will be struggling, because what happens is you are too edgy after the shot. So let me give you another example, then we'll move to another video. You see, I'm online, connected myself with the line of aim, running my cue there. That's it, shot complete. So the better you can run your cue, the fastest you can grow your snooker skills, and you can be a very, very good player in no time. So make sure you follow these instructions and follow my YouTube channel. There are two full playlists of English language videos and Urdu language videos. Also follow my Facebook account. Any questions, please let me know. If you have not bought Technique Expert, which is ideal for correcting your cue, your potting, even your cut shots, your weight balance, get it now. It is available on our official website. Also, if you are struggling with potting angles, it's a good idea to have angles expert. Whether you are playing snooker or pool, it is available for both. So leave your comments and let me know what you think about your technique and how much this advice helped you. If you need an online coaching course with AQ Snooker, please message me through WhatsApp or contact me through my website.